Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Tutorial. Today in this video let's learn about how to create Tinder account. So let's get started. At first let's get into Tinder app. Make sure you have downloaded it. So here it is. Simply tap on this. Here you can simply continue with Google, Facebook or phone number. Let's go for Google for now. And you need to select any of your Gmail account. Now here we need to enter our phone number and click on next. Now we need to enter the code we get in our phone number. So here's the code. Simply click on next. And here we are in Tinder. Simply agree to the terms over here and enter your first name. And click on next. And click on let's go. If you want to edit your name, click on edit name over here. So let's click on let's go. Enter your date of birth and click on next. We need to enter our other details as well. Now we need to enter our study details if you want to, and you can enter some of your lifestyle details. Here we need to add our location as well. So now we are in Tinder interface. So that was all. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.